Okay, as you can see that we've got bore water stains over the glass here, caused from sprinklers, and we're using OneRestore, a mix 1 to 3 parts of water, and as you can see we squirted it on, and we are using a microfiber cloth, and just an old one will do, and find that's gives better scrubbing power apparently. Anyway, as you can see, I've done that and it's took it off. It's a bit lightly staining, but it took it off, and we're scrubbing or cleaning as normal. Make sure that it's saturated so it gets all the acids off the glass. So here we have one that's a little bit more severe, and you'll see the reaction putting the OneRestore on, and put it on liberally. It seems to work better and get right into the corners. We'll do the bottom bit, and you can see how it reacts here. It's very severe on the bottom here, but as you can see it just comes off quite easily. I'll just do the top again just to make sure that I've got everything. Give it a good scrub, and now you get a purpose-made scrubber, because to use chemicals on normal scrubbers, it will ruin your scrubbers. So just have one just for the purpose of using it for this. So you just squeegee. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves, and you wipe the frames, the edges, all around. So I'll turn around and do the door beside the window here. As you can see, it's not as severe as the other one. And same thing, we apply it. As you can see, it's reacting, but it's not that bad. But use the microfiber like we are here. Make sure you get right into the corners. Okay. Okay, that'll do. And then scrub and squeegee as per normal. And as you can see, both sides look like new glass after you finish. Just squeegee it. Okay, I'll just go and detail the edges a little bit. All around the edges here, making sure it's clean. I'll just get the microfiber I used, and it's good for cleaning the frames to get the calcium off also. And I suppose, well, that's about it.